til Bøje Larsens blog. Jeg håber, du vil glædes over den video, jeg præsenterer i dag.
This video is about birds that I meet. Some of them come to my balcony, where I have been hanging a birdhouse with food for them. It is -degrees now, and they need food. I am living in what is called a Backhaus, Hinterhaus in German. And in the area behind the Hinterhaus, there are a lot of trees and plants that the birds seem to like. Let me tell you about my flying guests. Firstly, there is the house swallow. I guess you know them. They are small and brown and travel in bigger groups. In many cafes in warmer times, they pick up goodies that have fallen from your table. They star in my video, but they seem to be a kind of bird proletariat because they mainly eat the food that has fallen from the more endowed classes. Here, you see where some of the house swallows live. Just a few meters from my balcony and above. In the gutter under the tiled roof. Room with a view. I heard, but cannot find the concrete information now, that a man traveled worldwide to photograph these swallows. I do not know the endowed classes' names, but you will see them here. Perhaps they are what is called the European robin. They are the same size as the house swallows but work individually. They are very beautiful, displaying different colors, white, brown, yellow, and more. My idea with the birdhouse was really to attract them. And I succeeded. The final stars are the doves. They are larger than the sparrows that I mentioned. Doves are known for their gentle and calm demeanor. They live in pairs of 2, and they make love nearly every day. I can observe that from my house because their permanent apartment is in a tree not far from my balcony and the house sparrows. I have seen them several years in a row. Because of this behavior, they, usually in white, have been used politically as signs of peace, not least in the old Eastern Bloc. I hope you enjoyed the birds. Thank you for watching my video, and remember to subscribe.